Hey, it's Rick. Welcome to the channel. This is the fourth video in a series about 3D printed screen printing tools. Depending on the press you have, you may not have a good place to put your squeegee while you work. This press has a couple of large knobs to rest the squeegee against, but every press is different. Yours may have a joystick-style micro-registration system or something similar that gives you no area to lean the squeegee. I designed this model to solve that problem. I'll put the link for it in the description. It comes in two different sizes, since I have two different sized frames. You'll need to print it with supports and break out this piece before you can use it. Clamp the brackets on your frame in your preferred location. Install any half-inch piece of wood. In this case, I'm using round dowling I got from a hardware store, but if you've got a table saw, you could cut half-inch strips from any scrap of wood. And that's it for this one. Please click the like and subscribe buttons, and thanks for watching.